Something outside has his attention. It's a daydream stare if I've ever seen one. Nobody's just daydreaming. Something good going on. There he is.
What are you looking at there?
I was just daydreaming. I was thinking about flying like an eagle.
Wow. That was the findings me and my wife found 1 year. That's a total of 4 groundhog heads, turtle shells, the remains we believe of groundhogs, and this one we believe was the remains of a catfish that might have come back. Some of the feathers and stuff that we're finding underneath the nest too. Waterfowl, whatever they can get their hands on. And bald eagles are believed to live 25 years in the wild, more in captivity, such as the young lady that's sitting next door waiting to meet you guys. But basically, they have a very good lifespan. The problem is getting past their first year. They take, your mortality rate in your first year is about 50% of the eagles that fledge won't make it. And it's due to a couple of reasons. If they can get past their first year, they've got a really good chance at living. It's just trying to be smart as an eagle. You know, it's nature and it's not easy. But when you get to see the eagle next door, it's going to be bigger than Jasper is, for sure. But you can tell by the size of the eagle to the size of the nest. Now picture those branches building that nest. That's a lot of work that goes into there.
How about that? You know what that does? It's called rouse. And what that does is she shakes all the feathers out and they all go back in place. She shakes all the dust out and they all go back in place for it. It's kind of like combing your hair. Yeah. Just like combing your hair. That's her purpose. Is that pretty cool?
I had that. I was teaching new guys how to pull all the eight colors.
I don't know. I don't know either. There are something called Sharpie eagles, but I don't know if you saw that on the TV show anywhere. She can't go anywhere, guys. I got her on a leash. See the big leash? She's not going anywhere.
It's a leash, you know?
She's on the leash, just like a dog. She's not going anywhere. She's thinking about the window.
Cool, right, huh? What do you think of it?
Albert can actually tell you where the nest was, but the nest blew down during a storm in southern New Jersey, and she and her nestmate fell out of the nest, and her wing was fractured. You're welcome. The radius and the elbow, which are the bones that run between your elbow and your wrist, they were both fractured. They were surgically repaired, but they calloused across the open area, and so she doesn't have any rotation over, so she can't do like a flaps down to slow down on the one wing.